Want to see what my must-have beauty products are these days? Stay tuned. Hello everyone, my name is Misty Nicole from theladypreferstosave.com, and today I'm part of another awesome collab, again from Roxanne and the Guy's Life, on all of my favorite current beauty products. And so after watching this video, please be sure to check the description bar below so that you can see all the other ladies and their awesome favorite beauty products that are also participating in this collab, and give them some love too. So let's get started seeing everything that's in my current beauty stash. Favorite products, of course, are going to be more zero waste and natural, and some are going to be kind of organic, vegan-esque products that are not necessarily DIYs per se. So I'm going to divide my video up first with the products that are not DIY, and then those that are. So here are some of my non-DIY beauty favorites that I currently am obsessed with. And first among those is this from Coola. It is a makeup setting spray. I absolutely love this. It has an SPF 30. It's 70% organic. It is really, really hydrating to the skin. It has hyaluronic acid, peony leaf, juniper berry, and phoenix stem cells. It is pretty awesome. It smells amazing, and especially here in the deep south in the summer, you really need something that'll help your makeup set in the warmer months, and so this is one of my go-tos then. Also from Coola, I really like their, their sports stick in the natural tint. And as you can see, it's really, really cool. I love that it is both a concealer and a light foundation in one stick. It's not greasy. It sets very, very well. And what I like about it is that it takes 2 or 3 other products out of my makeup routine. So if I'm going to run out, or I need to go to an event or something of that nature on my volunteer events, this is going to take me from about 5 or 6 minutes of application down to under a minute, and I absolutely love it. One of my other favorite products is the Burt's Bees Tinted Balm, and this is in the Sweet Violet, and this is actually a new tube that I'll go ahead and open here so you can see if I can possibly get this open. Oh, here. And it's pretty nice. It goes on really smoothly. And something I like about the Burt's Bees and their tinted balms is because it is flower extracts and not artificial tints. It actually, to me, looks a little bit more natural, especially for Caucasian women. Sometimes we kind of tend to wear lipsticks that are a little too red or a little too orange, and so I really like things that are more of a tinted balm, something that is very light. It's not something that's very heavy or is caking. And in the past, I would wear a lot of lip sense products. I've since stopped wearing them and have really, really enjoyed the Burt's Bees. And so this has worked very well for me. I also love, excuse me, a lot of the Shea Moisture products, including the, here we go, the Raw Shea Butter Moisture Retention Shampoo. It smells amazing, and it has sea kelp and argan oil, and it's great for dry or damaged hair. But for me, I am using it because I am in the process of almost at my goal length for my hair. I cut it periodically. 2 or 3 years in my 2 or 3 times rather in my adult life, I've actually cut my hair and donated it for Locks of Love, and so I will be doing that again very soon, which is one of the reasons you see me in the caps all the time, because I'm constantly deep conditioning my hair and trying to get it in that shape so that it can be donated. Also from Shea Moisture, I love their Yucca and Plantain Anti-Breakage Conditioner. So these two are some of my go-tos in terms of shampoo when I'm not making my own DIY blends. I really like these. And something I really like about all Shea Moisture products, if you can see it here, turn around, they are cruelty-free. And at a price point that is around the $5.50 mark, that is kind of unheard of in my area. Most of the other products that are labeled as vegan or something I have to get through the mail from Amazon are usually in starting the $15 to $20 range. And so to find something that is pretty natural. It is about 90% organic, and the bottle is also recyclable, post-recycled packaging, certified organic and cruelty-free. I love these products. I have super thick curly hair, and so these work really well for me, but there's tons and tons of Shea Moisture products, so there's a little something out there for everyone. So if you haven't tried them in the past, I really recommend you checking out their products and seeing if there's something that might work well for your hair. In terms of soaps, I have really been loving this Chandraka, the Ayurvedic soap. It is amazing. I get it on Amazon. It is actually in about the $8 range for a dozen bars, so it is really affordable. And as you can see, it comes in wax paper and a paper box, which can be composted, and it smells amazing. It smells like juniper and sandalwood and honey, and it smells amazing. And the best part, there's no honey in it, so it is a vegan product. It smells great. It's actually a co-op fair trade company, and so I love supporting them and have used their products for many, many years and absolutely love it. Another one of my oldie but goodies is Dr. Bronner's, especially in the lavender. I also love the tea tree and the citrus and the rose scent, but lavender is usually my go-to. I love this for like a deep cleansing of my hair, my body, my pets. My husband uses it. The entire family uses it. It is pretty awesome. You can even dilute it down in the unscented version and wash fruits and vegetables with it. I've done that in the past, so loving this. This is also one of my absolute favorites. And something else that I like that is not one of my DIYs are my bamboo toothbrushes. Lately, I have been using the Dr. Perfect brushes. They come in these really cool little paper pouches, which can be composted. And then, as you can see, they come like this. They are a soft bristled brush, and what I really like about them is they have a really firm handle. They are soft, but they work very, very well, and every other month I can actually just compost them and get another brush out. And it's been one of the best oral experiences I've had in terms of brushing my teeth in my life. I much prefer it to the previous toothbrushes I used to use, including an electric toothbrush, Oral-B toothbrushes. It works really, really well. Everyone in my family uses them, and they're a lot more ecologically safe, and these have become my new standard. I love to get them on Amazon. Now, sometimes I will stick with this brand, sometimes other brands, but around the first of the year, I've actually seen bamboo toothbrushes on Amazon Subscribe and Save go down as low as $7 for a dozen toothbrushes, so there's always something at a different price point that you'll be able to find, and I absolutely love them. I also, one of my go-tos are the Beauty Concept personal trimmers. I love these for like the little baby hairs on the side to trim up my eyebrows when I actually do that. And this has been one of my go-tos since turning 30, because sometimes you get those little stray hairs you need to do something about. Also, I absolutely love my Kala bamboo toothbrush, and the bristles are actually rubber and not plastic, and I really like that. They're a little bit softer in my hair. I love that the entire brush, once I no longer need it, can actually be composted, and so for me, this has been an awesome, awesome product. Now for some things that are DIY in terms of beauty products that I absolutely love, and the first would be my homemade deodorant. I still love the smell of this. I actually make it. It sits in one of these short half-pint mason jars. It is absolutely amazing. I love to use arrowroot powder as well as coconut oil and baking soda, and then whatever essential oils your preference. Right now I am doing tea tree and lavender and rosemary, and absolutely loving it. In the past, I've used Young Living deodorant as well as Schmidt's. This recipe has just been amazing, and I absolutely love it. And if you would love to see me make this, I would be happy to do so. It is literally pennies on the dollar to make, and it works much better than any blend that I have purchased. Again, I am in love with this. It works really, really well, including the summers here in the Deep South. So that really says a lot for me in terms of DIY. And in the same vein here, my homemade toothpaste, which is arrowroot, baking soda, cinnamon, xylitol, and cinnamon essential oil, and it is pretty amazing. I love it. It works really, really well. It's very inexpensive to make. It is shelf stable, it is antimicrobial, and it is pretty awesome. I love adding xylitol to this because it is both a natural sweetener and it has been scientifically proven to help with the re-enameling of teeth and with gum health, and I absolutely love it. And so that is something that has really saved us a lot of money. In fact, previously I would use Himalayan Naturals, which I believe, I want to say is in the $8 or $9 tube range. And so I can actually make my toothpaste, which lasts about 4 or 5 months for our family of 3, for around 35 cents. A few other things that I am obsessed with is this shaving oil. And as you can see here, it has a few purposes. I've actually been able to clean my face with it, as well as use it to shave my legs and under my arms. And it is a 3-step process. It is basically a nourishing oil, which I use jojoba oil. It's coconut oil, which is antimicrobial. And then I use rosemary essential oil and citrus essential oil. And it has been awesome. Again, I shave with it. I wash my face with it. I also use it as a facial moisturizer, and it is amazing. I absolutely love it. And something else I could not be without are my organic crocheted facial cloths. My husband actually crochets these and puts them in our Etsy shop. They are pretty awesome. I use these to wash my face, to dry my face. I use them in the shower. They wash up really, really well, and I have been able to replace all of the previously used plastic poofs in our home with these. They last and last and last. I absolutely love them. He also makes for me, as you can see here, I keep a jar of them in my medicine cabinet, little facial rounds that I use for cleaning. I also use them with astringent, and of that I use equal parts cranberry juice and witch hazel. And I just don't have any made right now, or I would put it in the video. But I use these. They wash up beautifully, and so these have replaced cotton rounds in our home. And my absolute favorite beauty product has to be organic coconut oil. Here we go. I actually love that I used to buy this at my Sam's Club, and I no longer have to have a membership because it is now sold in my Walmart family market, the neighborhood market. I love this stuff. I use it to remove makeup. I can use it to put on like cuts or abrasions or scrapes. I also love that it is an awesome face moisturizer. It is awesome under white cotton socks to moisturize my heels most of the year. I can also do the same with white gloves. It has been an absolute game changer in our house. Now, why I don't really need it for cooking anymore, or for things like making popcorn, I do use it all the time. Again, in making toothpaste and lotion and deodorant and most things around the home. It has been indispensable to me. I love the fact that it is in the $7 range here locally for such a huge tub. It's, 56 ounces and is that cheaply made. It is, of course, vegan, it's organic, non-hydrogenated, and, I absolutely love it. It has worked really, really well, and it is probably my go-to product. I would say this and the Dr. Bronner's are the two things that I could do a world of things with around our home, and so I absolutely love it. So guys, those are my favorite current DIY as well as commercial beauty products that I am absolutely loving these days. So I would love to ask you now, what are your favorite go-tos? What are your 3 or 4 favorite beauty products that you're currently using? I'd love to hear all about it below. Also remember to, after watching this video, check out the playlist below to check out Roxanne and all the other ladies in this collab and see what they're loving as well. Also be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any upcoming videos on the channel. And as always, please be kind to yourself and to others and have a wonderful rest of your day. And thank you so much for watching.